Group policy is configuration management in Active Directory, providing fantastic capabilities for managing users and desktops throughout the entire organization. Policies can be linked to the domain, providing centralized configuration management, or linked to organizational units, providing decentralized management. Domains can be structured into trees and forest. The technical definition of a tree would be several domains configured in a parent and child relationship. Domains in the same tree would use a contiguous DNS namespace such as companyabc.com and training.companyabc.com. Multiple trees can be configured in an Active Directory forest. However, this definition of a forest is somewhat misleading. An Active Directory forest is technically an implementation of Active Directory. So what do we mean by that? Well, when you configure the very first domain controller in your environment, you are creating an Active Directory forest. At that point, it really doesn't matter if you add additional domains or not. It also doesn't matter about the number of domains that are added. You have still created an Active Directory forest. The normal thought is that all domain controllers are created equal. While this is normally the case, there are certain exceptions. In Active Directory environments, replication will occur via a multi-master process. However, this process is not appropriate for every situation. There are certain modifications that, if performed on multiple domain controllers at the same time, could cause irreconcilable differences to the database. For this reason, single master operation roles are held by one or more domain controllers within the Active Directory forest, and are used in situations where a single modifying domain controller is either preferred or required.